How to fix Instagram Reels not working on Android. So if you're facing this issue in your Android, first and foremost, open Instagram application. So right here, you have to go ahead and check out your Reels section after a certain break. If it is still not working, scroll down your quick access, turn off your Wi-Fi and switch it to your mobile data and try again. If it does not help, turn on the airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now again, go and check in your Reels section. If it still does not work, you can head back from your Instagram application. Press and hold your app and head to App Info. Go to Force Stop and then tap on OK. Head to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Now once you do this, open a Play Store. Then right here, search for Instagram. Now tap on it. As you can see, there is an update bubble. Simply leave it for an update. The last resort will be uninstalling the application and reinstalling once again. Now once you do all of this process, your issue must be solved. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.